How to delete Instagram account on PC. If you want to delete your IG from PC, here's how you do it. First, pull up any browser and then go to instagram.com and then log in, of course. Once you have your IG open, click the three lines on the bottom left or the one that says more, and then head to settings. Now, on the top left search bar, just type delete or deletion. You should see the option for deactivation or deletion. Click that, then choose the Instagram account you want to manage if you have multiple accounts logged in. After that, select delete account. Instagram will ask why you're deleting, so just choose any reason that fits and then re enter your password for security. Once that's done, confirm it, and your account will be deleted. I'm not sure why, but if that's your choice, here's how you do it properly. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.